Hello everyone, and this is Thalia Alexiou sharing Feng Shui wisdom. This month, April 6th to May 4th, it will be the start of changes out west. So what does that mean? That means we're gonna hear accidents and computer crashes, and you be careful with your children to not having an accident. Be careful with knives. Or maybe we will hear about astronauts or people who they go to outer space, they having issues. But when we curate in our own space, we helping that kind of a vibration to channel outside our house also. It's not just about us, it's about everybody. So to protect our children and our families and our environment. So I suggest you put one of my chime, my wind chime I create at the west, which is also is going to be there for the whole year, because this is a double changes this month. So we have to be very, very careful. We hear about the war. A lot of children is going to have accidents and killings and all this month, and we should pray more for peace. Also, if you don't have one of these, which is made from copper, it's okay. I want you to, if you have a blue vase, this color, don't be careful, this color, put a sea salt in it. I put sea salt, okay, sea salt. And if you don't even have these, go to the dollar store and get those little bags and put a sea salt in it. Place it there with a good attention. Say, I put these with a good attention for the peace, for protection, for my children, for my grandchildren, for the technology which is supposed to create amazing things. So I wish you a safe, healthy, happy month, and I want you to remember I love you, and don't forget to subscribe, to leave your video play to the end. And if you have any questions, be free to leave me a message. A lot of people do, and I always answer. I love you, and I wish you a wonderful, safe month.